Hey class, hello everyone. How are you all doing? I hope all of you are doing awesome. And welcome to one more amazing session of this Lakshya NTSE series. And all the best to all of you. And I hope your preparation is going awesome. Okay, because the exams are very near right now, and it's the last time which the one who will utilize it to the maximum will take it to the another level. So your aim is right now to maximum utilize this time. Okay, whatever the concepts I have taught already, keep revising them, keep solving more and more questions, keep solving the practice papers now. Okay, solve more practice papers, take the any previous year paper, pick it up, okay, and solve all the questions as the practice questions. Another book which you have referred, solve those questions, take it as an exam. Okay, pick 100 questions, pick any previous year paper. Let us say you pick the 2017 any state paper, okay, format. Sit for 2 hours straight, try to solve 100 questions. Let's see how many you can solve, and then at the end analyze as well how many marks you have got, how you have done. Everything you should practice now. Okay, so let us move with today's topic. Okay, so as you know that we have today we have started, we will be doing cubes and dice and fundamental principles of counting. In the next class I'll be taking data inequality. Okay, and whatever questions I will be homework question I will be asking you during these 2 sessions, I will be discussing the homework on the next week's Saturday class, right? Chalo. So before that we need to discuss the homework questions which I have asked you previous week. So let us discuss those questions. So the first question was, by selling an article there is a loss of 2.5%. Okay. Then by selling it at rupees 6 more, there is a gain of 5%. Find out the cost price of the article. Okay, bacho. Now, as you can see that cost price would have been fixed only. Cost price must be fixed. Okay. So in one case, bacho, you can see, if you will solve by normal mathematics, you can solve it, but I am trying to tell you how to do it with shortcut. Cost price is always 100%. You know, in case of profit and loss, cost price is always 100%. If you have profit, let us say you had a profit of 5%. So when the profit is of 5%, so your selling price becomes total 105%. Correct? And when your cost price is 100%, and suppose you have a loss of 2.5%, so you will cut this part out where loss is what? 2.5%. So the leftover part will be your selling price, which is 100 minus 2.5, which is 97.5%. Correct? So here, bacho, you will see clearly that, sir, in this part the selling price is 105%. In this part the selling price is 97.5%, and 100% is fixed here. Okay, so from cost price, if you move 5% profit, 5% up, and you move 2.5% down, so whatever is this difference they are saying is by selling it at rupees 6 more, he gains a profit of 5%. That means just by selling it for rupees 6 more, he got a profit of 5%. So from a loss of 2.5% to a profit of 5%, total percentage increase is nothing but 2.5%. Negative of 2.5% to 0, that is 2.5% here, and 5% up, so total 7.5%. So 7.5% of the change has been done, and this change in rupees is equal to 6. So I can say 7.5% of the cost price, which is X, is rupees 6. Correct? So X will be, I can say 7.5 by 100 into X is rupees 6. So from here you can get X is equal to 6 by 7.5 into 100. Okay, so now you can remove the decimal here, so it will be 1000, and it will be 3 2s are, and this will be 25 times, this 25 1s are, and 40 times 40 into 2 is rupees 80. So this is a shortcut. Within one line you'll do. You'll get to know 7.5% of cost price is equal to the difference in rupees, which is 6 rupees. Now let's see. So this was the normal method, all of you already know, right? So now the students who has given me the correct answer. Normal method is what, bacho? Normal method is you will first see, let us say cost price is X, prof loss percentage is 2.5%. In that case, you will find out the selling price in terms of X, okay, which will be equal to 97.5 X by 100. Then in the next case, you will get, let's say cost price is X, profit is 5%, so selling price will be 105 X by 100. So again, at the end, you will see the difference of the selling price is rupees 6. So 105 X by 100 minus 97.5 X by 100 is equal to 6 rupees. So again, you'll get the same information. 7.5 by 100 into X is equal to 6, so which we have directly got. And I have got the correct answers from, let's see, we have got the correct answer from Jyoti Pandita, Flash, Hardik Sharma, M. Sampath, Knowledge Horse, Devil Huntard. Oh my god, so amazing, so many kind of names I'll be getting. Pinky Jha, Madhu, Pallav Maheshwari, Feel the Subjects, Amulya, Vedant Gupta, Atikar Rahman, Rehana Jinnah, Osho Saini, Titiksha Lad, Arun Kumar, Pranav Bhalerao, Harsh Sarkar, Ahana De, Grandi Madhuri, Abhijit RS, Anu V, Mayank Gupta, Mahendra Gupta, Himanshu Syuni, Mani Mozhi, Adhavan, Ayush Kumar, Rajesh Saini, Knowledge Horse, this is 2 times I think, Arpit Janoria, Sandvi Singh, Satya Raja, Paras Khushi, Deep Vijay Urkude, Sidhu, it's your homie, Lavanya, Aditya, Om Nayak, Neela Ram, Samarth, JM, Rishabh Patidar, Jagannath Patidar, Omesh, Omansh, Kishore, Cool Ayush, Adarsh, Mayur, Sitaram, Field Physics, Ribhav, and Murgesh. So these many students has given the correct answer. Awesome, bachcho, very good. And let's move to the Sunday's class homework question, which was this. A mixture A contains milk and water in the ratio 2:3 and mixture B is pure milk. So in what ratio they should be mixed, so that a mixture, you will get a mixture in which both are in equal proportions. Okay, so what is the, in the second part is pure milk, right? So what is the fraction of milk in this mixture? It will be 2 by 5, right? It will be 2 by 5. And what is the fraction of milk in this part? Whole 1, right? Now I have told mixture A, mixture B, quantity of milk, and mixture A is 2 by 5. And in the final mixture you want 1 by 2. So subtract 2 by 5 minus 1 by 2. So 2 by 5 will become 4 by 10, 5 by 10 minus 4 by 10 will become 1 by 10. And 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2 will be 1 by 2. Multiply with 2 on both the sides. So you have got the ratio as 1 by 2 is to 1 by 10. Multiply with 10. So 1 by 2 into 10 will be 5. And 1 by 10 into 10 will be equal to 1. So 5:1 is the correct answer. Right? And we have got the correct answer. Those who are here for the first time, and if you are not able to understand this method, go to the previous video where I have taught this method in the elaborate way. Okay, so let's see how many of you have given me the correct answer. And we have got the correct answer from Utkarsh Pant, Jyoti Pai, Adarsh Ray, Jagannath Patidar, Art for You, Rishabh, Cool Ayush, Amit Arora, Mohammad Naveed, Ansh Shah, Dhruv Sharma, Krishna Prasad, Ribhav Vash, Nisha Srivastav, Sharmila Kundu, Suryansh Khatri, Mayur Tiwari, Lakshmi Agarwal, Adib Ahmed, Saksham Kumar, Pinky Jha, Kishore, Amulya Gupta, and Kashish Rawat. Some of you have given me the answer as 1:5 as well, bacho, and that will not be considered correct because there is a huge difference between 5:1 and 1:5. I have asked you the ratio of A to B. Okay, so the correct answer will be 5:1. Understood? So, okay. So now we have, bacho, cubes and dice problems. So this is what we are going to tackle today. So types of problems we have is based on cubes and dice. Okay, based on cubes and dice we are using the problems. So, and then we'll be having fundamental principle of counting and then NTSE previous year questions. 3 things we have. Okay, now bacho, let us start with the part. Now in the cube, if I want you to understand some things very clearly. A cube is made up of 6 squares. A cube is made up of 6 squares. Okay, now understand very carefully, bacho. If I make a cube which is made up of 6 squares, this is the whole basic here. Most of the questions solved by this trick. What happens is, bachcho, every face, these things are called face. Every face is connected to 4 other faces. Every face, because this face has 4 sides and those 4 sides will have 4 more faces. So every face is connected to 4 other faces. First part. Second thing which I want you to know is every corner of this cube. There are total how many corners? Total 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1 will be behind. Total 8 corners. So every corner is formed by intersection of 3 faces. Every corner is formed by intersection of 3 faces. So note these 2 things. First thing I have told you, every face is joined with 4 other faces. Second thing I have told you is every corner is formed by intersection of 3 faces. Now, the third and most important part is one face. Okay, see, one face. If I give you, I have told you that every corner is made by the combination of 3 faces, and those 3 faces, this combination will be unique. This combination will be unique. Okay, so if I fix any 2 faces, let us say I have fixed this upper face and this sidewise. These 2 faces I have fixed. So now a combination of 2 faces, 2 adjacent faces, how many corners they will give me? They will give me 2 corners. One will be this corner, other will be this corner. Right? Only 2 corners. So 2 adjacent faces when combined can give you 2 corners. So here some number will be there, and at the back some other number will be there. This is the most important concept which we will be using to solve the problems. Okay, now let us look at the problems. So the problems we will be looking at is first one this. A dice has been thrown 4 times and produces following results. Which number will appear opposite to the number 3? Just now, bachcho, I have told you that 2 adjacent faces, if there are 2 faces, okay, 2 adjacent faces, they will have 2 corners. So one number opposite on one number on this side, one number on this side. So you have to identify the pair of 2 common faces. Okay, so now let us see here. 6, 3, 1, 2, 5, 4, 3, 5, 1 and 2, 3, 6. Okay, so which one we can get here? 2, 5 we are getting here. 2, 5, 1, 6, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 6. 2, 6 am I getting? No. Okay, so now we have to check in another way. We will see that how the faces can appear here. Okay, now bacho, see, tell me one thing. 3 is adjacent to 6, 3 is adjacent to 5 and 3 is adjacent to 2 and 3 is adjacent to 1. Correct? I have told you every face is surrounded by 4 other faces. So now you can see for 3, 6 is the adjacent one. See, 6, it is joined here. For 3, 5 is adjacent, 1 is also adjacent, and for 3, 2 is also adjacent. So 3 has 4 adjacent faces, which is what? 6, 5, 1 and 2. So 1, 2, 3, 6 and 5. Which number is left? So the number is left will be what? The number which will be opposite to. See, there are 6 faces, right? So if I choose this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are the adjacent one and the opposite one will be the one which is not there. So 3 is here, 2, 4, 6, 1 in any way. Sorry, 2, 1, 2, 5, 6 in any order. But I know 4 is nowhere adjacent to 2. So 4 is nowhere adjacent to 3. So the face opposite to 3 will be 4. So option will be 4. So which part we have used here? We have used that for any face there are 4 adjacent faces. And the last face, see, 1 is the face itself, 4 adjacent faces, so total 5. So the one face which is not there will be the opposite to the original one. Okay, so this is how this question can be solved. Let's move to the next question. The next question we have, bachcho, is option A is the answer 4. Okay, now let's move to the next part. The opposite faces of dice X are 5, 2, 6, 3, 4, 1. And opposite faces of dice Y are 3, 5, 4, 1 and 6, 2. Which figure can represent both dice X and dice Y with faces shown below? Now see, opposite faces. Here, as you can see, in the first part, okay, in this way, 5, 2 should not be together. They are not together. 6, 3 should not be together. They are not together. 4, 1 should not be together. Not together. So it can represent dice X. It can represent dice Y. 3, 5 are together. No. 5 and 1 are together. 6 and 2 are together. Yes, sir. But 6 and 2 are opposite faces. So option A is wrong. Let's look at option B. 3, 5. See, 3, 5 are opposite faces. They are saying 3, 5 are adjacent faces. Wrong. Here, let's see. 2, 4. Do you get a pair of 2, 4? Nope. 2, 3. Do you get a pair of 2, 3 opposite? No. And 4, 3. 4, 3 is opposite. So option C is the correct answer. Option C is not holding any pair of opposite sides as adjacent. Here, why D is wrong, beta? Because it is shown 6 and 3 are opposite, but here 3 and 6 are adjacent. So option C is the correct answer. Just you have to check that opposite faces should not be adjacent. Correct? So just the simple brain, if you will use simple thinking, you will get your answer. Okay, the topic is very easy. Just assume, imagine properly. Okay, let's move to the next question. The next question we have is, a pattern is being followed to derive numbers using 2 out of the 6 numbers appearing on the faces of a dice, having numbers from 4 to 9. So now the numbers are not the original dice, the numbers are 4 to 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 6 numbers. Okay, both inclusive. So 6 numbers are there. 2 such pairs yield 106 and 52. What will be the third pair? So now in these kind of questions, bachcho, always remember that cube question whenever, dice questions are whenever there, always try to find out the opposite sides. That is the first rule. So here let's see how we can find out the opposite sides. You know, bachcho, common part. See, 5, 4 are adjacent here and 5, 4 are adjacent here as well. Correct? So if 5, 4 and 5, 4 are two adjacent faces, you know, they are sharing only 2 corners. So one corner they are sharing with 8, one corner they are sharing with 7. That means if 8 is here, 7 will be at the back. 8 and 7 are the opposite corner. Correct? Two faces can share 2 corners. One corner is shared by 8. Definitely other corner will be shared by 7. Now let's see what is the next part. 7, 6 and 5 are sharing a corner. Now see, 7 and 5 are sharing one corner. 7 and 5 are sharing one corner. 7 and 5 are sharing one corner. So these are the 2 corners. And 7 and 5 here are they're sharing 2 corners. So on one corner they are sharing with 4. One corner they are sharing with 6. That means 4 and 6 are opposite to each other. So if 4 is here, bachcho, 6 will be here. Correct? So see, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, everything we have got. So 9 will be at the bottom. So the pair of opposite faces, one is we have 5, 9. Then we have 6, 7. Sorry, 6, 4. And then we have 7, 8. Correct? Now the two pairs which they are yielding is 106 and 52. Now 52 is very easy to observe here. 6 square is 36. 4 square is 16. So 36 plus 16, if you will see, it will be 52. Let's see the same logic. 25 plus 81 is equal to what they are saying, 106. Yes, 5 plus 1 is 6. So that is true. So now the next pair will be 7 square, 49 plus 64. 113. Where is 113? Here. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, bachcho. So this way easily it can be done. Let's move to the next question. If the total number of dots on opposite faces of a cubical block is always 7. If the total number of dots on opposite faces of a cubical block is always 7, find the figure which is correct. So opposite faces, the sum should be always 7. That means I got to know here that opposite faces will be 1 and 6 will be opposite, 2 and 5 will be opposite, 3 and 4 will be opposite faces, because sum has to be always 7. Now first thing, bachcho, see here, 2 and 5 they have shown here adjacent. 2 and 5 is shown here adjacent. This is 2, this is 5. So this is wrong. Here this part is 4, this part is 3. 4 and 3 are shown adjacent, that means this is also wrong. Here this is 5, this is 4 and this is 1. So no one is giving the correct part. That means option C is correct. Right? See, for 5, 2 can be here. For 4, 3 can be at the back. And for 1, 6 can be here. So all the 3 opposite sides are correct. And why it is wrong? Because 5 and 2 are the adjacent. So option C is the correct answer. So most of the questions are involved around the opposite faces of the dice. Okay, let's move to the next question. Now, how many dots lie opposite to the face having 3 dots when the given figure is folded? So beta, if I fold the given figure, see how it will be folded. See, this part will be folded like this. So let us say, wait. Let us say that you have this figure. Okay, now let's say I have told you that 3 is at the bottom, or by this now imagination will be very difficult. Try to imagine it this way. Okay, 3 you have here at the bottom. Now this 4 will be adjacent, correct? Then this 2 will be shifted like this, and then this 5 will be folded here. So 3 was here, 4, 2 and 5. Okay, what I have done, see, 4 is here coming outside. Okay, then fold this 2 inward and 5 will be here. 1 will be this face and 6 will be covering at the top. Correct? See, 4, 2, 5. First fold it this way, then rotate this part. So 2 will come here and rotate one more time, 5 will come here. Then rotate upside down, upward. So 1 will come here like this and 6 will cover the whole part. So 6 will be opposite to 3. So 6 is the correct answer. So this is how you have to imagine this way. Okay, let's move to the next question. Two position of a dice with 1 to 6 dots on its sides are shown below. Okay. If the dice is resting on the side with 3 dots, the dice is resting on the sides with 3 dots, what will be the number of dots on the side at the top? That means you have to find out which number is opposite to the 3 number face. Okay, so now let us see what is happening here. 6 and 3 are adjacent. 6 and 3 are here as well. 6 and 3 are here as well. So one corner is shared by 2. One corner is shared by 4. That means 2 and 4 are opposite to each other. Correct? 2 and 4 are opposite to each other. Now I don't have any extra information that opposite. Now I know this is 2. This is 6. The back side which you can't see is 4 and this is 3. Now 1 and 5 can be anyway. By 1 can be here, 5 can be here, or 5 can be here, 1 can be here. There is no extra information provided. So I can say, sir, opposite to 3, I can get either 1 or 5 because there is no extra information. So I'll say option will be option A, 1 or 5. Okay, so either 1 or 5 because we don't have enough sufficient information. Chalo, let's move to the next question. The next question we have, bachcho, is this. Two positions of a dice are shown. When number 3 is on the top, what number will be at the bottom? Again, see, so easy question. 2 and 6 are sharing a corner. Correct? One corner is 3. One corner is shared by 1. That means 3 and 1 are opposite to each other. So what I will say? 1. What I will say? 1. Correct? Very easy na yaar? Right? Chalo. Let's move to the next part. Let's look at this question. Now choose the box that is similar to the box formed from the given sheet of the paper. So you have to find out which given sheet. So just focus on the opposite faces. Opposite faces should not be together. Okay. Now if I fold it this way, bachcho, you can see this part will come here at the up, fold it this way, and then this part. So you know that this and this will be opposite faces. Fold it upside down, then shift it like this and this. So these two will be opposite faces. Okay, then if I rotate it upside down, so this blank one and this dot will be the opposite one, and the other blank one and this one will be the opposite faces. Okay, now let us see any pair of opposite faces if they have given together. So In the first one, can it be? No opposite faces are together, so first can be the answer. In the second one, see, these are the two opposite faces. They cannot be adjacent. Two opposite faces, so this is wrong. In this point, you can see these are the two opposite faces. It cannot be correct. This is wrong. And in this point, you can see these are the two opposite faces. So it cannot be. But 3 can be correct answer. Why? Because what if this part is opposite? This blank is opposite here and this is the other blank. There are two blanks, right? So the possibility is yes, it can be. Okay, so 3 also can be there. So 1 and 3 only. So option will be 1 and 3 only. Why? Because there were two blanks. That is why 1 and 3 both are possible. 1 and 3 both are possible. Okay, let's move to the next question. Now, how many 3 digits number can be formed from the digits 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 and 9 which are divisible by 5 and none of the digits is repeated? So none of the digits is repeated. So now bachon, this is the fundamental principle of counting. Okay, you have to form 3 digits number. 3 digits number, so let us draw 3 spaces. Okay, let us draw 3 spaces. You have, what are the numbers available to you? 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 and 9. You have to form 3 digits number which are divisible by 5. So divisibility by 5, what is the rule? That the unit digit should be either 0 or 5. Do you have 0 available here? Nope. So now you know that unit digit has to be 5. Otherwise the number will not be divisible. So 5 is fixed now. Right? 5 we cannot use because it is told none of the digits can be repeated. Now the other 2 digits you have to form by combining these 5. So from these 5 you have to choose any 2 digits. So now what I'll say, bachon, see how these kind of questions are solved. 2 places we have, right? Let us say first place. In this first place, how many options do I have? I have the option of either putting 2, or I can put 3 there, or I can put 6 there, or I can put 7 there, or I can put 9 there. So total 5 choices I have. So I will say, sir, I have 5 choice. I have 5 choices. Okay, this is the digit fixed now. It does not matter to me. I am seeing how many choices are possible here. So I will say, sir, for the first digit, I have 5 choices. Either 2, 3, 6, 7, 9. Correct? Now, if any one number I have used here, how many numbers will be left with me? If I use 2, only 4 will be left. If I use 3, then only 4 numbers will be left. So once I have used one number here, for the other place, I have only 4 options. And for the last digit, I have only one option, which is what? 5 I have to pick here. I have to place 5 here. So I am talking about the choices. How many options I have available? How many options are available to me? Okay, how many options are available to me? So you can see, so this is the options I have. Now, how do you get the answer? The answer is very easy, bachcho. Nothing, just multiply these two. Multiply your options. 5 into 4 will give you 20. So how many numbers you can form? 20 numbers can be formed. 20 numbers can be formed. Chalo, let's move to the next question. The next question we have is how many 4-letter word with or without meaning anyway can be formed out of the letters of the word logarithms if repetition of letters is not allowed? So how many letter word you want? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-letter word. How many letters you have? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 different letters you have. Okay. Now, out of these 10 letters, suppose if I choose this place, how many options do I have? Out of these 10, I can put anyone. So I have 10 options available. Once I have used any letter here, for the next place, I would have how many choice? I would have only 9 choice because one I have already used here. So now 9 choice available. One more letter I have used here. So how many choice I have? I have now 8 choice only. And one more letter has been used. So I have only 7 choice. Correct? So now, bachcho, you can see the total number of answer will be what? Multiplication of all of these. Correct? So 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. So it will be 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 should be around 560, 560 into 9. So it should be 5040. Option C. Okay, multiplication of these two. So 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. Okay, just understand the basics here, you will get the idea. Now let's say, the next question we have is, How many 5 letters word with or without meaning can be formed out of the word black if repetition of the letters is not allowed? So this will be bachcho your homework question. This will be your homework question. So this will be your first homework question. So I'll be giving you, this will be your first homework question. I'll be giving you 2 homework questions this time. Okay, I have given you 2 homework question. So this will be your first homework question. Okay, how many 5 letter words can be formed with or without meaning from the word black if repetition of letters is not allowed? Okay, so this is your first homework question. And now let's move ahead. The next question is, if 5 coins are tossed together, how many different results are possible? So again bachcho, think in the same way. I have 5 coins and I want to toss 5 coins. Let us say I want to toss 5 coins. If I want to toss 5 coins, each coin can give me how many results? By either head or tail. Correct? So coin 1 can give me 2 results, either head or tail. Coin 2 can give me 2 results, head or tail. Coin 3 can give me 3 results. Coin 3 also can give me 2 results, head or tail. Coin 4 can also give me 2 results, head or tail. Coin 5 can also give me 2 results, head or tail. So total possible combination of all the results will be multiplication of all these. So you'll be getting 32. So correct answer will be option D. 32 will be your correct answer. The homework question bachcho, I have given you that only one question I am giving you for homework. Okay, because the other question I have already got it solved earlier. Okay, so one homework question, I have told you what is the homework question, that how many ways you can arrange the word black. Okay bachcho, so now this is all in today's class. I'll see you soon in the next session, and do not forget to download Vedantu's app. You are getting all in one features from that app. Doubt solving facilities, study material, classroom schedule, everything bachcho you are getting into that one app. Also, most important thing is, do give a like yaar if you're really liking this video. If you're really loving the sessions, do give a like before leaving, because it matters a lot to us. Share this videos to all your friends who are not aware of this platform yet, and also subscribe to this channel and do press the bell icon, because it will notify you for the next upcoming class. Okay bachcho, so this is now the end of the class, end of the session. I'll be back on Sunday with a new session. Till then, bye bye, good night, see you. Bye bye bachcho, bye bye.